Adapy is the first product to bring smart technology to the assisted mobility space. Our story began long before I ever met Drew back in 2013.
I'm Drew Evans. I was in the Air Force for 11 years and was injured one day while in Alaska, and I fell off a cliff. I ended up breaking two vertebrae in my back and had a spinal cord injury. I was put in a wheelchair, and so here I am today. Got all of the medical devices for my truck so that way I could drive around and be independent. But the problem was I had like multiple remotes and multiple things going on at the same time, and so to help consolidate that, I wanted it all on my phone. So that way I could, it was all in one device and it was all ready to go. So thankfully, I got in touch with Aaron and we were able to put together this idea, this circuit board, and then move forward with it. So that way it can all of my medical devices can be tied together and they can all be controlled from my phone.
Hi guys, my name is Marty O'Connor. I'm the host of the Wheel Talks official podcast and also a C3, C4 central spinal cord injury. The concept behind this thing is awesome. It was introduced to me as a solution to a problem with people needing to get in the car, having multiple remotes and buttons that are hard to push, centralizing all of it and making it mobile friendly.
You know, I think your app and your device work great. You know, in the summertime when it's hot, it's nice to be in cool where you can open your doors up, fold your ramp down and lower it. And then especially in the winter time, I can sit in my garage where I'm not getting rained on or snowed on, and I could open it all up because my lift takes so long to by the time I open up the doors, fold it down and lower to the ground, it's probably a minute and a half. And I'm out there in the snow or rain. And that would make it so nice to be able to just do it from inside my garage, and then I can just wheel out quickly and get in and then close it all up from inside.
Now for me, I know spinal cord injuries, we don't sweat anymore, and that's a big deal because you can't regulate your body temperature. And here in Florida, it gets pretty dang hot. Currently 89 degrees, 80% humidity, and the longer I know that I'm exposed to it, my body gets much more fatigued. And that has problems too. If you are too fatigued and you're driving and you don't have the strength in your arms to react as much as possible, that could be dangerous, or vice versa if it was the cold. I know I tighten up a lot, and that could lead to some problems as well. Or talk about rain. And if you want to get all wet, that could lead to more friction against your skin, could cause sores and breakdowns. So minimizing that exposure to elements is really critical.
One of the nice things that would be really beneficial is to be able to get my vehicle prepared and ready for me to get in before I actually get to the vehicle. So I can get out of the sun like today, or the wind, or the rain, or the snow, all those elements you want to get out of quickly. I can get the vehicle prepared for me to come out. So it'd be nice to be able to open the camper shell and swing the arm out and get it ready to take the chair. Or if you're in a van, you can get the van door open and the ramp lowered so you can get it, you can wheel just straight up into it and it's ready to go.
Using your own smartphone, you can control your assisted mobility devices from a safe distance using our Adapy Smart Hub and have your ramp or crane waiting for your arrival. No more waiting in the rain or snow as you ready your vehicle. Just one Adapy Smart Hub installed within your vehicle will provide you control of the majority of remote doors, toppers, seat lifts, cranes, wheelchair lifts, ramps, and more, making your life so much easier.
To help with automating the process of getting in and out of my vehicle, I have what's called our scenes. I'm able to press a button, start a scene, and now my truck can operate without hands and on its own, getting my vehicle ready for me to use.
By using the Adapy Smart Hub, we can now join all the adaptive equipment together into a single point of control, the smartphone. The adaptive equipment plugs into the Adapy Smart Hub, and then the Smart Hub communicates with the Adapy mobile app. Think of it like home automation, but for the vehicle. The user can now control all their adaptive equipment right from their smartphone, avoiding rain, snow, and other harsh weather conditions.
We believe that the mobility space is a sleeping giant with 130 million people worldwide needing wheelchairs, 2.7 million of those in the US alone. This is a great opportunity for us to innovate that space with the Adapy Smart Mobility System.
We have an incredible team. We leveraged our local community resources and housed our offices inside the Atwood Innovation Plaza at Utah Tech University. This allowed us a fantastic sandbox to develop, test, and improve our technology. We qualified for the Mikasa Resource Center patent grant, allowing us to secure both the provisional and non-provisional utility patent on our product. As of today, we've just completed the manufacturing of our first 1,000 units valued at close to $2 million. We're currently pre-revenue, but we've secured a relationship with Avenue Home Care to assist us in introducing and launching our product to the VA with over 450 mobility centers across America and DME companies with sales teams across the nation. We believe we can tap into an existing network of potential companies to both distribute and sell our product.
Adapy has received a ton of awards and accolades. In 2021, we received the Probo Patent Grant Award by the Mikasa Resource Center, the Pitch Award by the Atwood Innovation Plaza at Utah Tech University. Then in 2022, we were the Startup of the Year and was the Globee Gold Award winner. Adapy has received its second Probo Patent Grant Award from the Mikasa Resource Center. Also, Adapy has been endorsed by Manamed Inc., who specialize in durable medical equipment, and Mark Andrus RRT MBA as a surveyor for the Joint Commission. The company's technology has also been reviewed by the Challenged Athlete Foundation, as well as the Paralyzed Veterans of America Foundation, and was given 5 stars. The company has raised $600,000 and completed R&D in the manufacture of its first 1,000 units. We believe that money without a purpose is pointless. Join with us in one of the greatest purpose-led missions of our generation. Let's bring freedom and independence through technology to those that are disabled. We will improve their lives at the same time, build an incredible company together.
We want to thank you for giving us this chance to share with you Adapy.
Thank you. I don't know what do you want?
That's perfect.